Flexibility is essential. A big part of that comes from using versatile Premiere Pro templates like this one from Envato Elements. They're quick and easy ways to spice up all your videos and truly transform them into professional productions. All you have to do is add in your own content and allow the template to do the hard work of design for you. Welcome to the 10 Premiere Pro templates to make great videos in 2020 Roundup. We'll explore some of the best content available on Envato Elements today, ideal for personal projects, freelance editing, and much more. Head over to Elements right now to find all of these and thousands more included with the all-you-can-download subscription. When you're doing video marketing, you might not instantly think of text, but Short Quotes offers a compelling reason to use it. Think testimonials, key facts, and more. And with 10 different styles, you're sure to find a winning text option perfectly suited to your next project. Plus, they work great as titles too. Redacted titles are a quirky, fun way to position your text on screen. These easy-to-edit essential graphics deliver classic cinematic designs for your next promo or documentary. Multiple layouts are included, and you'll even find a helpful motion graphics tutorial in the download to help you get started. Timing is precious. Make light of it with the analog clock creator for Premiere. With everything from sleek modern to classic clock faces, it's the perfect choice if you need a clock in your next video. Pair it with any background and change up those key details like speed, duration, and more. Paper Grotesque shady animated typeface for Premiere helps you ensure your video text is clear, readable, and cool, all at once. Naturally, you'll get a full set of letters and numbers, but important items like math symbols are built in as well. This is one of the best Elements motion graphics projects simply because of its unmatched versatility. Part of flexibility comes from finding projects that fill a really specific niche. That's exactly the case with Cooking Show Bumper for Premiere Pro. You really can use it for a cooking show, but it's also applicable to related ideas like restaurant promos. Hungry to try it out yet? Creative Process, Flat Design Concepts for Premiere gives you 15 animated scenes for your project. Featuring cool workspaces like web development, app design, and music, this pack is a great choice for a tutorial, team intro, or promo ad. You can leave scenes in their default layout or mix up each and every design element as the need arises. Truly, creative control is left up to you inside a framework of professional, studio-quality designs. Seeking a modern yet simple countdown, Flip Counter Creator for Premiere delivers in bold style with a quickly editable 4K countdown. Choose from 10 designs, set your countdown duration, and you're all good to go. Don't forget, you can overlay it with any background, so it's the perfect complement to any scene you already have set up in your video. Newsworthy Titles for Premiere Pro is a versatile set of text overlays, but with a broadcast style, they'd look right at home on television. That means they instantly elevate the quality of your own projects. All it takes is choosing the right one for your goal and dropping in your own text. This template does the rest. Motion Elements Pack is a full set of titles and transitions you can use anywhere. They're well equipped for your personal projects, business videos, and more. Simply mix and match the motion graphics you need and skip the ones you don't. Included are lower thirds, titles, openers, shapes, and much more. Introducing your brand to the world, or at least to your audience? Well, kick it off in a cool way with modern logo animation. It works great with any logo, and with Premiere, it's easy to apply any color or background to it. Several styles make it super easy to adapt to your own needs. You've just had a great look at the countless amazing Premiere Pro templates available on Elements. Why not head over to Elements now and check out even more stunning options for all of your videos? But remember, that subscription doesn't just include templates like these. Make sure to explore the huge library of music that you can download and use in your videos. You'll find tens of thousands of options, one of which you're listening to right now, and they're all a part of your Elements membership. How will you use these templates in your next video production? Let us know down below in the comments. Make sure to like the video, then check out our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel and subscribe to never miss an update. The channel features roundups like this one, along with tutorials, how-to guides, and so much more. Thanks for watching.